Hey, good afternoon. Welcome back. We're studying English pronunciation. Learn English 88. I am Gary Dawson-Smith. We are studying the back vowels. And today we are working on Now, in the last lesson, we studied This one is You might say, oh, Gary, Teacher Gary, those sound very similar. And they do sound similar because they are similar. This one, as in cook, your lips are have a little bit of tightness and the jaw is more up. When we say the lips are very relaxed and the jaw comes down a little bit and the tongue down a little bit. So we're going to practice saying the difference between the two. You ready? I know, pretty similar. That's okay. Just practice alone. So the lips are relaxed. Tongue is about in the middle. And the tongue is about the middle of your mouth and your jaw. The most important thing when you say is you're relaxed. Us, up, ugly, other, uncle, onion, Your turn. Us, up, ugly, other, uncle, onion. Onions make you cry, but they're so tasty. Hug. Oh, I want to give you a big hug. One. The Cavaliers just won the NBA Finals. Does. Much. Like, I enjoy teaching English very much. Must. You must practice. Come. You should come to the United States sometime to practice your English. Okay, your turn. Hug. One. Does. Much. Must. Come. Spelling variations. There's some different ways of spelling it. But. I'm trying to learn Chinese, but Chinese is very difficult. But. Cut. Be careful with the knife because you can cut yourself. Love. I love the Los Angeles Lakers. Done. When I am done today, I am going to go to the gym. Rough. Sometimes wood is very rough. Okay, your turn. But. Cut. Love. Stay relaxed. Done. Rough. Come in. What does it mean? What does it mean? Come and have some fun. I love your progress. Keep on coming back. Please subscribe, and you'll keep on getting these lessons as I put them out every day. It's my pleasure to teach you. Bye-bye.